Are you always stressed out when navigating through airports? Let's make your journey stress-free. First, arrive early to the airport to allow plenty of time for check-in and security. Make sure to check in online before arriving to save time. Pack your carry-on bags wisely for easy access to important items during the flight. Wearing slip-on shoes can help ease the security checkpoint process. Keep all necessary documents like passport and boarding pass handy. Stay connected to your flight status through the airline's app or website. Utilize airport amenities such as lounges for a more comfortable wait. Keep an eye on the departure screens for any updates or changes. Consider investing in a quality travel pillow for long layovers or flights. Stay hydrated and bring snacks to keep your energy levels up. Don't forget to stretch and move around during long waits to avoid stiffness. Utilize luggage tracking devices for peace of mind concerning your belongings. Avoid unnecessary stress by planning your route from gate to gate ahead of time. Take advantage of airport assistance services if needed for smoother navigation. Consider joining a frequent flyer program for benefits and perks. Arrive at your gate well before boarding begins to avoid rushing. Be courteous to staff and fellow travelers for a more pleasant experience. Minimize carry-on items for quicker boarding and deplaning. Bring entertainment like books or movies to pass the time between flights. Dress comfortably yet stylishly for long hours of travel.